WealththriveX Reviews unlock your market potential. Markets move constantly. Within that movement, there is opportunity. WealththriveX helps you see and use that opportunity. The platform combines advanced tools with a user-friendly design. You do not need to be an expert to begin. Registration is simple. No deposit is required. You can explore and learn before investing. Funding options include banks, cards, and digital services. The platform does not charge deposit fees. Withdrawals are secure and structured. Funds return to the original payment source, supporting safe transactions. The platform works entirely online. You can access it from any device with internet. Market data is displayed with clear signals. Green means growth, red means decline. This helps you react quickly. WealththriveX offers access to thousands of markets. You can build strategies based on your goals and risk level. Security is a priority. Encryption and verification processes protect your account and personal information. Learning resources help you understand market behavior. Over time, your confidence increases. WealththriveX focuses on clarity, flexibility, and growth. It gives you tools to improve step by step. Start today. Explore opportunities, build your future.